Hey guys, it's Monika. Thank you so much for joining me. What I wanted to share with you, one thing that is like really exciting, this is a lid lifting treatment. So I use a lot of City Beauty products, but when they reached out to me about a lid lifting treatment, I was intrigued because I have very crepey eyelids and I have droopy eyelids. And over the course of time, if you look at some of my earlier pictures or videos, my eyes are definitely way more droopy than they are today. And I'm often asked if I've had any kind of surgical procedure, which I haven't. I thought this sounded really good. You know, it has a number of really good ingredients and it's white, it's thick, and you just put a little bead on your ring finger and you tap it on. That's what I did, tap it on, and then you do it again on the other eye. I just let it set. I didn't do anything else. It says you can use this as an eyelid primer. I don't use eyelid primers because so many eyelid primers interfere with the application of my eyeshadow. It'll make my eyeshadow harder to blend. It'll make it just more difficult. This did not interfere with my eyeshadow whatsoever. So I put it on and I just let it sit there very nicely, let it dry, tapped it in. One thing that I noticed is when I was applying my eyeshadow, because I tapped it on, I didn't rub it in, but when I was applying my eyeshadow, I felt my lids did not move around as much. I definitely felt a little bit of a firming of my lids when I was applying my eyeshadow. Now I would let it sit. I'd put it on, tap it on after I've cleaned my skin, and I just would let it sit before I applied anything else. So maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, depending on what I was doing. But I noticed that the normal application of the eyeshadow and the crepiness of my eyelids moving all around was diminished, greatly diminished on the application. Now you can use it twice a day. I'm going to continue to use this. I'm super impressed so far with the difference that I'm seeing in my lid, just like I am super impressed with the neck oil. And when I first started using the ultra firming dry oil for my neck, I liked how my neck felt. Now I believe I'm starting to see a difference in how my neck skin feels, reacts, and looks, I think, more supple. So I'm going to treat this lid lifting treatment plan, I'm going to do it the same way as my neck oil because, you know, right out of the chute, I'm seeing a difference without a doubt, and I am liking the difference that I'm seeing. I think this is pretty cool. The ingredients are awesome, and like I said, a big test for me, I can apply my eyeshadow without an issue using this, and that's pretty well unusual. And that was also the thing that I was super afraid of. So it is white. You just put a little bit of a bead on the tip of your ring finger and you just tap it in. It dissipates, it looks clear, you don't see anything sitting on your eye, but I can feel a firmness in my upper, you know, in my droopy lids, in my crepey eyelids. It also says it'll give you a smoothing effect, and I think that is definitely happening. So if you're interested in this product, definitely check it out. The reviews are really great. People that have been using it, what they have seen, the results they've seen have been really great. So I'm super impressed. Take advantage of the launch City Beauty Lid Lifting Treatment.